Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the War Thunder mobile authorization server unavailable error and connection error 801308182. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, completely close the game and reopen it. If the error still appears, restart your phone and launch the game again. After that, check whether War Thunder Mobile has a new update available in the Google Play Store or App Store. Running an outdated version can cause authorization problems. Also, make sure your phone's date and time is set to automatic, as incorrect time settings may prevent the game from connecting to its servers. If the problem continues, clear the game's cache on Android or reinstall the game on iPhone or Android after making sure your account is linked. Finally, if the servers are under maintenance, you'll simply need to wait until they're back online. That's it. If this guide helped you fix connection error 801308182, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.